Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen organization and cooking experience. We're talking about the Redchef Ceramic Cookware Set with its innovative removable handle system. This set, in a rather appealing shade of green, comes with a 2.5-quart saucepan, an 8-inch frying pan, a 10-inch large frying pan, a glass lid with a silicone rim, and of course, that all-important detachable handle. Right off the bat, the most striking feature is the ceramic coating. Redchef emphasizes that this is a natural ceramic, free from the usual suspects like PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This is a huge selling point for many consumers who are increasingly concerned about the chemicals in their cookware. They claim it's non-toxic, and that's something we always appreciate hearing. This coating extends to both the inside and outside of the pans, which they highlight as a dual-sided ceramic coating, promising easier cleaning both in and out. Now, let's talk about that removable handle. This is where the Redchef set truly aims to differentiate itself. The idea is simple yet brilliant. You can detach the handle with a single click, transforming your pots and pans into oven-safe or even fridge-ready vessels. This versatility is a major theme here. Imagine cooking on the stovetop, then transferring the pan directly into the oven for a finishing touch, all without needing to fuss with oven mitts or transfer your food to a separate oven-safe dish. This also extends to grilling and taking your creation straight to the table. For those in smaller living spaces, RVs, or campers, this feature is an absolute game-changer. They claim it saves up to 75% of cabinet space when stacked with the handles detached, and honestly, looking at how neatly they nest together, I believe it. This stackability is a significant win for kitchen organization. The oven safety is another impressive aspect. These pots and pans are rated to go up to a scorching 842 degrees Fahrenheit. That's incredibly high and opens up a world of culinary possibilities, from baking to broiling. They are also compatible with all stovetops, including gas, electric, and induction, making them a versatile addition to almost any kitchen. Redchef also makes a strong claim about the longevity of their cookware. They mention a unique patented technology that results in a stronger, more durable surface coating. This is crucial for ceramic cookware, as durability can sometimes be a concern. They assert that their set lasts longer than most ceramic options on the market, excelling in wear resistance, high-temperature resistance, and maintaining its non-stick properties over time. This is a bold claim, and if true, it would significantly increase the value proposition of this set. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the non-toxic, natural ceramic coating is a major advantage for health-conscious cooks. The space-saving, stackable design with the removable handle is brilliant for organization and for those with limited kitchen space. The extreme oven-safe temperature and multi-stovetop compatibility offer incredible versatility. The dual-sided coating for easy cleaning is also a welcome feature. However, there are potential downsides to consider. While they claim durability, ceramic coatings, in general, can still be susceptible to scratching from metal utensils, so using silicone or wooden tools is still advisable. The long-term durability, as with any cookware, will ultimately be tested by time and usage. Also, while the set is comprehensive for basic needs, a seasoned cook might wish for a larger pot or a smaller skillet in addition to what's provided. The removable handle system, while innovative, is another component that needs to be handled with care and could potentially be a point of failure over extended use, although the patent suggests they've addressed this. In conclusion, the Redchef Ceramic Cookware Set with its removable handle offers a compelling package of health-conscious materials, exceptional space-saving design, and remarkable versatility. It's particularly well-suited for individuals and families who value organization, compact living, or are looking for a more eco-friendly cooking option. The emphasis on natural materials and the innovative handle system are its standout features. Link in the description.